If this shot misses, everyone will blame Alex. Because instead of trusting his superstar, Alex gave the final shot to the one player nobody believed in. But Alex saw something nobody else could see, and that changed everything.
You okay, Alex?
Yeah, just watching. You always say that like it's a job. Sometimes it is. You're not passing, are you? Depends. Are you planning to stop me? I'm planning to try.
That's cute. I was open. Never mind.
Hold still for 1 second!
That sounds like your problem.
Man, how are we supposed to stop that?
You're not. That's kind of the point.
Confidence level, dangerously high.
Accuracy level, also high.
That's exactly what makes it dangerous.
Only for the other team.
That was a nice finish. Yeah. But Noah was open. You noticed that?
Bring it in. Everyone here. We need to talk before practice ends. The district tournament starts next week. Before then, this team needs a captain. Finally. You already know it's you? Come on. Captains win games. I win games. A captain is not just the player who scores the most. A captain is the player who makes the whole team better. Scoring helps. Sometimes. For the next week, Alex will be acting captain.
Me? Coach, I don't think...
I do. No offense, Alex, but captains are supposed to lead from the front. Sometimes the front is too busy looking at the basket. I need someone who sees the whole team. Okay? Swing, corner, eagle. Just stay calm. Whoa! You look like you studied for a basketball exam. You really made notes? I kinda did. That's terrifying. I'm ready.
So we starting soon or what?
So, Captain Alex, what's the royal plan?
We'll start with passing drills. Then we run swing. After that, defensive rotations.
So we're actually running plays today?
Yes, we need everyone moving. Positions! Marcus, high screen.
Leo, swing the ball. Noah, right corner. Move fast, no standing around.
Marcus, stay near the middle.
Leo, be ready for the first pass. Noah, hold the corner.
Got it. Alex, here.
Nice and easy. I'm open, I see you. You saw the corner, right? So pass it.
I'm not frozen.
Then move.
Alex, pass it back out! Just give me a second.
That was the plan? It was one mistake.
Do we reset from the top?
Yes, from the top.
Let's hope the top is better.
Again. This time, everybody touches the ball before anyone shoots.
That's a lot of touching for one basket.
It's practice. We're practicing the team part. Dylan, wait! We didn't finish the pattern.
But I finished the play. You know what a captain should do? Put points on the board. That's how you lead. We were supposed to run the play, and I was supposed to pass up an easy score?
I'm open. But what do I do now?
You can shoot if you're open.
I don't know yet.
If you're open, shoot it. I didn't want to mess it up. Then don't freeze. Don't talk to him like that. Then lead him.
That's enough. Practice is over for today.
Coach, we can run it again?
Not like this.
You're doing the thing.
What thing?
Trying to become Dylan.
I'm just trying to lead.
You don't lead like Dylan.
I know, that's the problem.
No, that's the point. Coach didn't pick you because you play like Dylan. He picked you because you notice what Dylan misses.
We're not starting with running today. We're gonna watch yesterday's practice.
Film review, the homework of sports. If this is about my screen, I already know it was bad.
Can we skip to the part where I make shots?
Watch the floor, not just the ball. Look at where everyone is.
There.
That's what I'm talking about.
You scored over me. We all saw it.
Exactly. That part was important.
Alex. What do you see, Captain?
No?
Not who scored. What do you actually see?
He sees that I scored.
Stop there. Pausing it now. Noah was open. What? Right there. In the corner. Dylan made the basket. But when Marcus stepped up, the defense shifted toward him. That left Noah open in the corner.
Good. What does that tell us?
If everyone watches Dylan, someone else gets free. Right there. Noah was open. If the ball goes to the corner, he has space. But I made the shot. You did. But the defense was already moving toward you. Dylan is great when he has space. But when he doesn't, he tries to prove he can score anyway.
So now I'm the problem?
No, you're the reason teams guard us so hard. I'm not saying the shot was bad. I'm saying if they know you'll always take it, they'll send 2 defenders.
So I'm supposed to pass up points?
No, you're supposed to see when the pass creates a better one. Marcus, look at where your screen starts. It's too close to the sideline.
I thought I was helping Leo get open.
You were trying to, but there wasn't enough room for him to move.
Noah, there's something else. After one missed pass, you stop moving. I just don't want to mess it up again. I know. But when you stop, the defense stops worrying about you.
I'm not saying it to blame you. I'm saying you're open more than you think. Even if I miss, especially then, stay ready for the next one.
That is why Alex is captain this week. Because he sees the whole court.
Seeing the whole court doesn't win games. Neither does one player trying to beat 5. You're good, Dylan. But we need more than one good player.
On your feet. New drill. Captain, call it.
All right, guys, let's do full court layups. Line up on the baseline.
Today's scrimmage is against the older students. They're bigger, stronger, and they'll pressure every play. This is a practice game to test how well you play together.
Funny. Winning usually feels like winning.
Just run the play.
Swing! Got it. Move it early. Don't hold it. Marcus, hold it there.
Go, Dylan! I've got the lane. Good, that's the space.
Back out! Dylan, pass it out!
I can split them.
You're not getting through, kid.
Move!
Too late. They punished that fast.
Noah was open. You could have passed to him. He had space in the corner.
And if he misses, I'm not handing over the play just to watch it fall apart.
I know you can play. I'm asking you to let them play too. And if they miss, then we run it again. But they have to believe the ball can come to them.
You think everything is my fault now?
I think you make people afraid to miss.
Can we play basketball, please? Arguing isn't getting us a stop.
Reset. No more arguing.
I scored more than anyone!
And somehow your team got smaller every time you did. Tomorrow is the tournament. Talent will not be enough. One player will not be enough. Figure out what kind of team you want to be.
You here to give captain advice? No. Good. If I don't score, everyone says I had a bad game. If I pass and someone misses, they still look at me, like I should have done it myself.
Maybe that's why scoring feels like the only way to matter. You don't get it. Maybe not. But if everyone waits for you to save them, they stop believing they can help.
You're the best player on the team, Dylan. But being the best player doesn't always mean taking the last shot.
You really think Noah can hit that corner shot?
Yes. Big game. Yep, no pressure at all.
We're ready. Listen carefully. They're gonna pressure Dylan. That means the rest of you have to stay ready. Captain, keep them organized.
Got it. Don't mess this up. Just don't mess this up. What if they pass to me and I miss?
Then we keep playing.
And Marcus gets the rebound.
If you miss, I'm getting the rebound.
See? He's basically built for that.
You don't have to be perfect, just stay ready.
If they double Dylan, someone is open. Don't watch the ball, watch the space. Okay.
Quick passes. I'm ready.
Coming up! Set it up!
Alex! Open! Take it! Got it! Dylan! Take it! Go score!
Got it. Let's go! That's it, Dylan!
Alex is attacking the rim. The defender is right there. This has to be perfect. What a fearless take in traffic. White pulls up for the jumper. Dylan is right there with the contest. Loose ball. Leo dives in. This possession is huge. Dylan attacks the gap. Two defenders close. He still gets to the rim. He goes up at the rim. Marcus sends it away. White team is running the break. Alex and Dylan are chasing, but they're late.
Timeout! Bring it in. We're down 2.
30 seconds left.
Give me the ball.
They've trapped you every touch.
Then I'll beat the trap.
Stay on 11. Do not let him shoot.
They're waiting for Dylan. Then someone else is open.
I said give me the ball.
No.
What? They know you'll take the shot. That's why you won't get one.
Noah stays in the right corner. Me? When Dylan draws the double team, he passes to you. For the last shot? Alex, I missed all week.
You were open all week. We just stopped trusting the shot.
You want the final shot from him? I want the final shot from the player they forgot to guard. They're guarding you. That means Noah is free.
Together.
I'll crash the board.
I'll be ready.
Riverdale comes out of the timeout for one final possession.
Leo brings the ball up for Riverdale as the clock keeps running.
Dylan is completely surrounded. Two defenders have collapsed on him. Every lane is closed. Dylan can't get a clean shot.
Dylan, pass to Noah. Trust your teammate. He's open. Make the pass.
Dylan is trapped. He has to make a decision right now. He gives it up. A huge pass out of the double team.
The pass gets through. Noah catches it in the right corner.
Noah rises for the shot. The ball is in the air. This could win the game for Riverdale. Everyone is watching this shot. It's in! It's in! Riverdale wins it at the buzzer. Noah hits shot of the game.
We did it! We are the champions!